Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to share a profile link on Facebook. This can be a handy way to connect friends or promote your own profile, making it easier for others to find you. Let's get right into it with these simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access everything you need. Next, navigate to the profile you want to share. You can do this by searching for the person's name in the search bar or by scrolling through your friends list. Once you find the profile, tap on it to view it. Once you're on the profile, look for your shot, the three dots, located next to the messenger icon. This is the menu that allows you to access various options related to that profile. Tapping these dots will open a drop-down menu. Now you'll want to tap Share Profile from the menu that appears. This option makes it incredibly easy to share the profile link. After tapping it, you'll be presented with different ways to share the link, whether through a direct message, a post on your timeline, or even through other apps installed on your device. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can share any profile link on Facebook effortlessly. It's a great way to help others connect with friends, family, or even new acquaintances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.